Hey folks, welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Welcome to the freaky, creepy, gory and spooky horror collab with Dragons in Dresses Craftsortium. So the link to this playlist will be down below. Please to check out the other amazing artists. And now I'm going to pass you to Kirk to explain what he has created.
Wow. When you think of, when someone says to you horror, what do you think?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
That's a bit harsh.
But true.
Okay. All right. What you should have said was squirrels.
Oh, duh. Okay.
Okay. Now, it's fair to say that you are not a horror or gore person.
I'm a complete wuss.
Okay. So I thought I'm going to do a squirrel.
Look at the mess. But go on, yeah.
Because squirrels are, well known in horrors.
Okay.
For example, squirrels.
Yep.
Attack of the killer squirrels.
Yep.
Rise of the animals.
Okay.
And Dracucat versus zombie squirrel.
Okay. I see where you may be going with this.
Yeah. So at the moment I've got a squirrel mould and I am just microing it with some browns. I think it's a brown, a gold and a little bit of red. Mm-hmm. And now I'm mixing up some resin with a bit of yellow, coffee and then some white.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get the texture of bone.
The texture or the colour?
The colour of bone.
Okay.
Which I think that looks
quite bone-like.
Pretty,
yeah.
Okay. So mix that, and I am now going to pour it. And this is the day after.
Yeah.
And this is the squirrel so far.
Yeah.
Okay. And now I'm going to shave its head.
Okay.
And you will see that the bone colour is going to show through.
Okay.
And what I'm going to do is it's going to be a zombie squirrel.
Oh God. Okay.
And so I'm just shaving the bits off just so that I'm trying to get the fur off so that you can see the skull behind it. Mm-hmm. Your face is
okay. Yep.
Thoughts so far?
Gross. Go on.
Okay. So I'm just changing the bits now. I'm just going to use the sandpaper sanding disc just because it just wasn't grinding it away quick enough.
Okay.
So I'm just at the moment I'm going to do a bit of the skull. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to have half the skull, and there's a lot of dust flying out. I am wearing a mask because
you don't want to be breathing that in.
Yeah, you don't want to breathe in that in. That's it's
pretty nasty stuff.
Yeah, and now I'm just shaving little bits of it here and there, just so expose bits of bone.
Okay.
Are you okay there?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you don't do horrors.
No.
Or gore.
No.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm intrigued.
Intrigued?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm just going through, just tweaking it a little bit, just so that you can get the bone through it, giving it a bit of a clean, because it is very, very dusty there, as you can see. And just, I don't know if you can see it there, but on the top of the skull, I painted the eyes red.
Red, yeah, no, I can see that.
And there's a tiny little bit of red going through the top of the skull. And I was trying to sand it down, but it wasn't happening. So there's the squirrel. What do you think? I'm just going to paint the eyes. What do you think so far? It's
interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that my UV?
That is a little bit of UV. So what I'm doing there is I'm using a bit of the red just to accent where the bone is showing.
Yeah.
And just a bit of red blood coming out of its eyes.
Yeah, because what squirrel doesn't need blood pouring out of its eyes?
Exactly. You can never have enough blood pouring out of the eyes when it comes to, you know, vicious squirrels.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm just giving it a cure. And now for the next part, and I'm using some old bits of polymer-clay,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just rolling it out nice and flat. And then I've got some of your jewellery wire and some tin foil.
Okay.
And I'm scrunching up the tin foil, putting the wire inside, and then I'm just moulding it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then, do you know what it is yet?
I've no idea.
And then I'm putting some of the clay around it.
Yeah.
Let me know when you figured out what
I honestly have no idea.
Okay, and then I'm just rolling it out a little bit, just sculpting it. Thoughts?
Well, I have no idea.
Okay, and I'm just doing some detailing.
Oh, no.
Go on.
It's a finger.
Yes.
Oh, dear Lord. Okay. Okay, continue please with your commentary.
So, yeah, as you can tell, I am comparing it to my finger. And I'm just putting a little bit of a bend in there. And that is where the knuckle is.
Yeah.
So I'm just now putting in the creases for your knuckles. And I think it's around this sort of point. Yeah, I'm just doing just doing the tiny little creases. And that bit there is like where it's been ripped from the skin.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been severed from the hand by the vicious squirrel.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
That's really good.
Your face is saying something different. So at this point, I thought, well, I just stick it next to the mould, and it's just a little bit big, so I need to trim a little bit off.
Okay.
So I'm just taking a bit off, just using some of the pliers just to cut through the wire, and that's a bit more of an appropriate size. But now I've got to do the top bit again.
Yeah.
So I thought I'll just go a little bit further with the finger, and I'm just doing the fleshy bit again where it's been ripped from the knuckle, and little bit of detail in there. I'm just doing some cracks on the nail, and then I'm going to do a little bit extra.
Okay.
Can you tell what it is?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so it's just a little tiny piece. I'm just rolling it up a little bit, and then I'm going to attach it to the finger.
Bit of bone.
It's a bit of bone.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm going to attach it there, and then I'm just making sure that it doesn't come off. Just a bit of little bit of sculpting. This is the first time I've ever actually done something like this, so
it's quite impressive.
I'm quite pleased with it.
No,
to
it's
be
really
fair.
good. It is really good. It does very much look like a finger.
And wow, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Well done.
So I'm just doing just a little bit of little teeth marks in there,
Okay.
because obviously the squirrel.
Little squirrel's having a nibble.
There you go. So that's the finger, and now I need to go and bake it. So just baking it for 15 minutes, and that's just the I'm going to now put it in the oven.
Yep.
And that's it
after the oven.
And that's after the oven.
Okay.
And now I've got some water-based acrylic paints, and I'm doing a skin colour. So I'm just painting it a nice little flesh flesh tone.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna yeah. So I'm just just painting the flesh on there first, just so that I think I've got the colour okay.
It's looking quite good.
And then I've got a bit of white, and then I've used some red alcohol ink just to do the fleshy bit of the knuckle. And then I'm going to go around with a bit more of a more vibrant red, just to accentuate the blood. And then just as an homage to you, I'm going to paint the nail purple.
Okay.
And this is where I was trying to do the bone colour. But to make the bone colour, you need white, yellow, and brown. And we didn't have a brown paint.
No, we don't.
So I was trying to mix a couple of colours just to make the brown. It just wasn't. Wasn't doing it. I did it a few times. So I did the white paint with alcohol inks again.
You could have used mica powder.
I didn't want to use mica powder.
In the paint?
I could have, I suppose. Yeah. I just thought it just looked better, because those are the colours that I used for the inside of the squirrel.
Yeah.
And I thought that I'll just do that. And then just do some dirt under the nails. And it's now time for the assembly, but I forgot to press record.
What?
I know. But there it is.
Wow, that looks incredible. That's really good. I like that. Right, guys, if you're still with us, thank you so much for staying with us. Don't forget to check out the playlist, which is in the description. I've been thoroughly grossed out by this, and I look forward to having a look at everything else to see what else grosses me out.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Thank you.
Thanks.
And we'll
see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.